Dear friends, the topic for today is how to create a YouTube Shorts. Let us go to the video. So just open the YouTube application in your mobile. Minimum 15 seconds and maximum 60 seconds, up to 60 seconds. It should not cross a minute or 1 minute. Okay, so that is the requirement for, and also it should be in vertical form. It should not be in horizontal format. Okay, so mobile is the best device to create a YouTube application, and very important is that you need to update the YouTube application in your mobile. Only then you can able to use, or you can able to create YouTube short using your mobile. And here in this video I am using Samsung Note 8 mobile in order to create YouTube shorts. If you do not update the YouTube application, you will not get you could not able to create the YouTube short. So please ensure that you update the YouTube application in your mobile. So I have already updated it, and this is the YouTube application. I have logged in using my account. Okay, and so once logged into your account, YouTube account, after updation of your YouTube application in your YouTube in your mobile, then come to the last bottom. There is a plus symbol, so click it. Okay, once you click it, there will be three options: create a short, upload a video, go live. Click create a short. Actually it is in beta version only, so that means you have to update the YouTube application, which is a must before doing this YouTube short. Okay, click create a short. So now after recording, right, and due to screen recording I could not able to upload that tree. Instead I am just uploaded this in my laptop screen itself, okay, as a sample demo. Now once the video has been uploaded, recorded, you have to click the sound button. Okay, what sound do you want? Okay, these are all copyright free sounds which are available. Okay, I am using this. Okay, then click next, this one arrow button. Okay, sound has been adjusted. If you want, you can adjust second button. Then text you can make. Just wait. You can change the color also. See here, various colors you can choose. I am using this green color. Then filters you can use. This is normal, or P1 you can choose, or C1 you can choose, or V1 you can choose, or R1 you can choose. Click done. Okay, timeline you can have it if you want. Then click next. Now you need to give the title for your short. laptop HP. Okay, click done. Now you can upload the shot. Click upload shot at the bottom. Now at the bottom you could find it's uploading. Okay, just wait. Let us go to the channel. Click your channel. Click videos. Okay, click this. We are processing this video. Check back later. Okay, just wait a minute. This is another shot which I have created. Okay, just watch it. Okay, the shots which you have created is 95% process at the top. Okay, just wait for the process to be completed. Okay, ready to watch. This video is ready to be watched. Okay, click it now. This is the YouTube shot. Okay, so just wait. Let us go to the channel. Let us go to the video. Okay, so at the top you could find the shots that we have created just now. Okay, so this is a procedure how to create a YouTube shorts. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends. Thank you.